Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to tell you some very important things you should know about your battery. Means uh, how will you activate your smart charging, how will you activate that your battery charging will cut off at 80% when it is charged up to the 80%, or if you want to activate battery saving mode at 30% of battery, or 40% of battery, or 50% of battery. How will you do that in your Realme mobiles? Okay, not wasting much of your time. If you are new to the channel, please do consider to subscribe this channel if you like the video after watching it completely. So first of all, you need to go to the setting. This is the first way. How will you go to the setting? The second, just swipe it up, type it here setting, or search for setting here, and you will go to the setting. When you will enter into the setting, just scroll down, and scroll down here, battery is coming. Just go to the battery, and here you will find everything about your battery. Means 95% it is now charged, can last about 1 day 20. This is battery used since last charge, screen on, last charge, battery uses detail. From here you find which app is taking how much percentage of battery. So okay, and you can optimize also from here. Okay, go back. From here you can enable the smart charging. To slow down battery aging, your device learns from your charging habits and adjusts charging pattern accordingly. Okay, now I will turn it off. Charging limit. Here, when the battery will reach up to the 80%, it will stop charging to save your battery. It will increase your battery life. Now I will tell you one more thing. GT mode. It will improve your this phone performance, but it can be harmful for your battery. Your phone may see what is written. GT mode maximize your phone's performance, but may consume more power and cause your. If you mm, want to get more performance from your phone in the gaming, you can activate the GT mode. Power setting mode. Power. It is the most important mode here. You can turn off when your battery is charged to 90%. Power saving mode. If your mobile is already in power saving mode, then when it charges up to the 90%, it will turn off. And this is the most important thing. Means you can adjust that up to what percentage you will enter into the power off mode. Means if you are traveling somewhere and you want that at 28% or at 35% or at a specific level, your mobile should enter into the power saving mode, then just turn it on and then select from here. Here is super power mode, so system performance will be reduced and you will only be able to run a few apps at a time. So this is what I am turning it off now. This is some more settings. Optimize battery use and other things you can from here optimize by selecting it. A battery management. So these are the some important things which I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.